just minimize this project explorer. Okay, so which project is in which project you are working? Biz store, am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So you can see it is showing some error. So first error is root @ localhost. You can see access denied for user.
Oh,
That means your username and password is not working for database.
okay.
So go to your just click on src. Okay, so basically you are using Spring Boot. Okay, click on resource, second option. Yes, second, not here.
This one.
Yes, this one. Click on this B service example. Yes. Okay, you can see database username and password here. Line number 23, 24.
This one.
So yes, enter your database username and password.
Okay. This one is for MySQL.
Yes. Open it.
Okay. So that one I put on this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now save it. And you have this vehicle DB database.
Uh, Vehicle. No.
Open MySQL. Okay, just copy this vehicle DB
Where is it?
name. It from line number 21.
This one.
Just copy this name vehicle underscore DB. Not entire thing, just name vehicle
This
underscore
one.
DB. Yes,
Okay.
copy it. Now go to your. Okay, you can see option schema bottom. Just scroll down. Yes, schema option. Just
This one.
no. Just next. Just bottom.
This
Yes.
one.
This one. Okay, just right click here and create a schema. Then paste that name here. Okay, apply and then apply again. Finish. Okay, so now you have database and you okay, so now you need table.
Okay.
Okay, so for table, guys, anybody can send that SQL query for table. Hello
Yes.
guys, you have that SQL query for creating table and
Yeah, sure. Let me send it to you.
yeah, sure.
I'll send on the
I'll just
chat
send it.
box.
Okay, so
Okay.
okay, Bilgun, you can copy that.
This entire thing.
Not entire. Okay, for now you can select last one. You can take last one.
This one.
Yes. Okay, and okay, just copy it for now.
And this here.
One more, not here. Just 1 second. Why you are not using desktop app? Because like when you are using this window browser, in that case, like if I have to take control, I'm not able to take control.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, so just copy it and open MySQL again.
Okay.
Okay, and you can see this query option in menu. Just click on first one.
This one.
Yes, click on this, paste here. Okay, wait, just remove line number 1. Okay, And now click on this execute option. This not you can see how mm, you can see this at just
Here.
just stop. Yes, say no, third option, second, third. Yes, click on this.
Okay.
Okay, not so just double click on this vehicle DB in schema section. Open it, just open table. You will see you have this. Okay, now you can see unknown column name. Okay, so according to this you have to create one more column with
Okay.
name. Okay, so go to your table again, just right click on table, right click here, not here, just on table name, b service underscore table.
This one.
No, you can see this the table name, bees hyphen service hyphen, just click somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, you can see this option bees
This one.
service. Yeah, just right click on this, uh, go to alter table. Okay, now okay, just try to add one column. You can see column option, just click here, after DOE, just next to DOE, just okay, no, not next, just next column.
This
Yes,
one.
no, just bottom in DOE. Yes,
This one. Okay.
yes, right here name. Okay, and okay, that's all. Just click on apply, apply again, finish. Okay, just try to run your application again.
Oh,
Now we have new error, and but it's working.
yeah.
You can see. Okay, so just double click on this console and let's see what is the error. Okay, SSL exception. Okay, you can ignore it for now.
Okay.
Okay, you can see it's working, so you can work on this.
Okay. So it's all good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So guys, anybody has any other issue? Like if everyone is good, then you can practice whatever Nagan has taught you in last session.
I can share my screen. I have few problems.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So when I try to run it, I'm getting a null values on my database. I'm not sure why.
Okay.
Let me try to run my main.
Okay. Just show me your error. Okay, you can see unknown column name. Okay, do the same thing. Just create a new column with name in
Okay.
MySQL. Right click on table. Go to alter table. Alter table. Yes. Now column. Okay.
Not sure why it's taking.
Just 1 second.
Mhm.
1 second. Just accept this request.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me check. Oh. You can see this option.
Okay.
Just write your name after DOE. Okay. Write name. Okay. Now apply. Click on apply. Then apply again. What is this?
Should I ignore it?
Uh, yes. Click on ignore.
Mhm.
Okay. About what happened?
Oh, I think it got closed. I'm opening back again.
Okay.
Okay, there it is. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's it. Right click, alter table,
Yes.
and then
Okay. Just 1 second. 1 second. Why it is opening like this?
let's try clicking on the bottom arrow that's showing. Wait. Yeah.
No.
Let's see. Yeah, maybe.
Okay. You have.
from keyboard and set timestamp automatically, but this is giving me this one error.
Mm, okay. So you can see the problem is in set DOE.
Hmm.
So okay, timestamp. Okay, can you scroll up? Scroll timestamp. Okay, that's okay. Scroll down. Just comment this line. 40 and 41. Just comment these two line.
Okay. Hmm.
Now try to run it. Okay, so now you can see your database error is coming.
Yeah.
DOE cannot be null, so we
Yeah.
have to enter DOE. Okay, so okay, so just uncomment this line.
This too.
Yes. Uh, okay, so okay, so now let's write. You're also using window option.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can write here date dot get time. Just 1 second. Let me check. Timestamp new date dot
This.
get time. Yes, your syntax is also right. Okay, just check what value you are taking in DOE.
Okay.
Open this project. Java.
Hold on. Okay. Hmm.
Okay, you can see error here.
Sorry. Sudden folder, right? Oops. Oh wait. Set DOE.
Okay,
Okay.
save it and now run it. Run that.
Ah. Okay. So error was in Pozo class.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then this is like where we are passing this these two keywords. So what I was trying to do is I was trying to pass this timestamp value to one variable and call this method, and I was getting the error again. Can you help me here?
Okay.
It's the same thing. Just I was just trying to create another method where
Uh, Actually, set DOE. This method will return null value. So how can you take that value into a variable?
yeah, that's what I wanted to know. So how I so DOE should be just timestamp,
Uh,
is it?
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you can set this DOE method in Pojo, like this variable into
DOE
Pojo.
variable
Yes.
like this.
Yeah, like this.
Okay, so but it's giving me error on
Yeah,
timestamp.
because
Oh,
it's
I understand.
duplicate.
Okay. Let me comment this out now.
You can see keyboard. Then you have a scanner.
Hmm.
Uncomment this line. Control Z. Press Ctrl Z. Save that and run it. Now it works.
Thank you, Aman.
Okay. Hello.
Aman, are you there?
Yes.
I have some questions. Will you be able to sort that out for me, please?
Sure. Sure.
Okay, let me share my screen real quick.
Okay.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so starting from here, so why do we have this empty constructor here? What is the purpose of this? I mean, this is core Java, but
Yeah.
I think I've
Actually,
forgotten what.
no, we are not using it. But we know that, like, if we don't write this empty constructor here, so
Yeah.
compiler will not, like, if we have parameterized constructor, then compiler will not include that default constructor. Okay. So sometimes when you not, like, when you try to create uh, object using new keyword
Mhm.
without parameter, in that case this will help you, otherwise it will throw error. It
Okay,
will.
got it.
That's all.
All right.
Okay.
So the next one here, so are we not using this, since we started using the bean, right, for the
Yes.
data sources? So are we not using this ID anymore, the PMagic anywhere else? Since we
Magic,
have,
no,
I
you
think,
will use it. Okay,
as you can
so like you are
see,
using
we have
JDBC
used it
template.
here. Mhm.
Yeah, so in this case
Because we have
you are
used it
using
before.
here. Okay, so this new JDBC template, it's your bean ID. It will be
Yeah,
somewhere.
yeah. Okay. So as I think we are just pulling the whole XML, right? I mean, referring to this whole XML. Uh, so that's what I thought, that there is not any more like necessary to, like we would otherwise, give it somewhere, right? I mean, inside
Hmm.
the JDBC template, we would just provide the name of the ID. And
Yes.
since we are referring to the whole class path, I mean, the whole XML file, which is the database, the source file, a configuration
Yes.
file. I think that's why I think there's no necessary anymore, right? Am I correct? To just specify by ID?
Yes, because in your case you are not using this ID.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, you're right.
Okay.
But one second, just can you go to that JDBC template page again? Just copy this new JDBC template.
Yeah.
Copy this and
Yeah.
search it. Go to search menu. Click on file.
Um,
Just close it. Close it.
okay.
Cancel.
File.
Okay, just go to search again. No, no.
Okay.
Click on search and you will see second option, file. Click on that.
File. Okay.
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 And now paste. Okay, yeah. Just remove this .java. Just one second. You can see file name pattern.
Okay. So just
Just right
remove.
here. Yeah, right here. Asterisk dot asterisk.
Okay. Asterisk dot asterisk.
Asterisk.
Okay.
Yes. Now click on search. Click on search. Okay. Qualifier means just scroll down in search. Okay. You can see open this JDBC template configuration.
This. Yeah. This is the one. Oh, no. Actually, that's the other one. Just a second. Hold
Yes.
on.
Actually, JDBC template, this one.
Yeah. This is
You are
this
using.
is actually, yeah,
Yeah.
configuration.
Okay. So you are using here data source. So
And what I'm doing is actually I'm providing this on the B service, right? As a qualifier. So
Okay.
what actually, so this is the first one we create, right? The data source XML file.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we,
Okay.
on the
Yes.
template, we provide the class path, the XML template, right? Because since we
Yes.
are
Yes.
using the whole XML file as a class path, I don't think we have to, in any of our
Yeah.
services, we don't have to individually give the ID of the, imagic. If I'm
Yes.
correct, I just wanted to sort
Yeah.
that out,
Like yes. No. No. You are right. Like in this case, we are not using this ID.
Okay, yeah, okay. All right. So my next question, just a second, please. So what is this object here? I mean, what is it
Okay.
doing here?
So like object is doing like you have different values. Okay. So you are combining that and making one object of that, and
So
you are sending
array,
that
right?
entire
You're
object
creating an
at
array
once.
object.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, got it. And then, so what is this bees class? I think,
Actually, it's Pojo.
so we are
Biz
referring to
Java.
the post.
Yeah. Biz.java.
Okay, so this one, right? So we are referring
Yes.
to this whole class.
Yes.
Okay. All right, got it. And another one, I don't think I have. I think, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Great.
Aman, we have class today.
Yes, Ashikula. Just 1 second. Let me confirm.
Let me try. Anybody have any question, query? I think already it has been addressed by Aman. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying you guys are good, right?
Yes, sir.
I think
Yes,
you
sir.
have done the practice. Yep. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start Spring MVC, fine, and we'll make a small program, very small program, and we have to ensure we know that. Okay, that's the intention. So, guys, the way I'm doing, right? Just you don't do anything, right? Don't do anything. I'm going to make a recording of it, right, for you. Again, I'm telling you, don't do anything. Just be sit idle and just look at whatever I'm doing. It's okay.
Yes,
That
sir.
works.
So, guys, you have done programming in JSP-Servlet, right? So,
Yes.
when you do programming with JSP-Servlet, so basically what you do, your question is what we do. We just, you know, we just make a web application, right? Can I say JSP-Servlet is used to develop a web application? That is correct, right? But I will show you
Yes, sir.
the application which you have developed in JSP-Servlet. You were not using any design pattern, right? So there could be some issues when your project reach at the enterprise level. Now question is, if you are developing any web project, we should use MVC. Your question is why MVC? I'm going to show you, some diagram for it. If it is not there, I can make it. Let me try. It is Maven, Spring Security, and why microservices, Jenkins. Oh, this one diagram is enough. Otherwise, we can make our own. Oh, I got it. Lucky. Hello. You see? Hey, one people, please come with me. Talk to me, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who's going to talk with me today? Daily, I'll pick one people, right? I'll make that kind of practice. Daily, one people who is coming with me.
I can do that.
I means Ishan?
Can. Yes, sir.
No, it's coincidence, right? Ishan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ishan, let's talk on that.
Okay.
Like here, when you develop your, web project with the JSP-Servlet, right? So there, you tell me how many servlet you are using there. Your answer should
Back when we were
be
doing.
n number of, right? You are
Yes.
using n number of servlet, right? There is no limit. You cannot say, sir, I was using only 5, 10, 20, 30. You would say, again, I don't know, right? N number of, you can say, right? N number means whatever is required, we create.
Yes.
That's great. And I want to tell you, if you go and check your JSP-Servlet project, in Servlet, you always hard code the name of the JSP. Yes, you know?
Yes,
I
sir.
can show you. If you guys remember, if I open the project in your Servlet based project, you always hard code the JSP name in your Servlet, because in Servlet you say what? Hey, I want to go to the JSP. Am I right? Your
Yes,
answer
sir.
is 100%. Even I can show you. Let me open some Servlet. It's not working. My bad luck. Okay, yes, vehicle score. Yeah, this is the project which is based on JSP and Servlet. You see, I have many Servlet altogether, and I can show you in my Servlet. My JSP name is hard coded. Clear? So can I say
Yes, sir.
my Servlet and JSPs are tightly coupled? Yes.
Yes, sir.
You see, my Servlet know about JSP. That's correct. And if I go to some JSP, my JSP also know about.
The servlet that we're using.
Yeah, Servlet we are using. It means JSP and Servlet are tightly coupled, right? My next question is, today I'm using JSP and tomorrow I want to use some other presentation technology, like Thymeleaf is there, Velocity is there, you know.
Yes, sir.
These are some other templating engine which you can use in the presentation. So you have to do code change because your JSP is tightly coupled with Servlet, and Servlet in JSP you have name of the servlet. I can show you. Guys, this is the name of the servlet. Yes, it is. It is right. Tightly
Yes, sir.
coupled. Oh, that's cool. You got little bit. Second thing I want to tell you, servlet is also resource intensive. It consumes, yeah, or it reserves more memory on the server. Mhm. So,
Yes.
so what is the benefit of this MVC design pattern? Your question maybe again, tell me first of all what design pattern. Design pattern is just a ready-made solutions of some well-known problems which comes in software development. In software development, we have some well-known issues, and those issues are addressed by the design pattern. So the design pattern just organize your code so that you should not face the problem for which it is designed. Hmm? And here I have written some point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ishan, let's read it.
Yes, sir.
Model and view
Yes.
are loosely coupled. We talked about model means your servlet logic, view means your presentation layer. Parallel development is possible. How? Suppose I'm good in JSP or presentation layer and you are good in backend. So we can work parallel because my JSP is not anywhere related with my backend code, and backend code is not related with front end code.
Yeah.
Since your business logic is not tightly coupled with the presentation layer, it is easy to write test cases. We'll talk about what test cases is. Nowadays, when you work in any organizations, you have to always write unit test cases. What I said, unit test cases. And unit test cases is not related with only Java. You might just a sec. Unit test case is not related with only Java. It could be with any technology, right? It could be with your PHP, Python, .NET, or even SQL. I came to know when you write the procedure, right? So you also write the unit test cases. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is easy to make your application is scalable. Scalable means today you have 10 functionality, tomorrow you want to make 20 more, and so on. Easy to implement common functionality. Common functionality means it is not specific to a particular function. You want to implement some common functionality across whole application. I can tell you some common functionality, right? For example, when requests come to the server, you want to ensure this request is coming for the particular, particular IPs. So you can implement those kind of things easily using filter and all. Security. Anybody have? See, guys, I'm telling you, I sometime also I watch YouTube video, right? So whenever I watch it, honestly, I'm telling you, I don't understand everything. Even though I have good experience, but I don't understand everything. Are you following me? So,
Yes,
so my
yes,
main
sir.
concern is I don't want you should feel that pain. If you have any question query, ask with me. That is the purpose of it, right? Ask questions. Anybody have any question query so far? Or everything is clear.
To me,
Okay.
everything is clear so far.
We have
Yeah,
talked
that's fine.
about MVC so far, right?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
So, my friend, as per MVC, MVC, right? We have three letter into it. MVC. M stand for model. Model means where you can write your Java classes, your business logic, you can say. Business logic is called model. M. So sometimes model is known as a action also. But in Spring MVC, whenever I say controller, don't confuse with this C, right? Whenever I say controller, we should understand I'm talking about model. So in Spring MVC, model, action, and controller all are same, and we are going to use interchangeably everywhere. Anybody have any question query?
No.
No. And V, as per MVC, V is called view. View stand for presentation layer, and presentation layer, you may be thinking it could be in JSP only. No, I have worked with Velocity, Thymeleaf, and this JSP. These three technology I have used so far in presentation layer. Got it? I
Yes, sir.
can I can tell you the order. First of all, JSP was there, then Velocity came. Nowadays, I am seeing people are using Thymeleaf. Are you following me? If you talk about performance, timely performance is better compared to all. You know, right? If anything is coming later, it will have more feature and more performance, of course, right? Hmm. Okay. So guys, and C stand for controller, but instead of controller, we will say front controller. Why? Because here model is already known as controller. Confused? No. M. Sometimes we can say controller, but here really controller means front controller. Make sense? So when I say controller, you should understand here he's talking about model, action, business logic. But when I say controller, see I'm talking. Sorry, when I say front controller, means I'm talking about controller. You have to always think like this, okay? And as for the real implementation, this model is a normal Java class. What I said, my dear? It is a normal Java file. Normal Java file or special Java file? Any guess? Ishan?
Normal Java file, I guess.
Normal Java file. Normal Java file means it does not depend on any framework related feature. Normal Java classes. And this front controller is a servlet. What? Front controller is a servlet. So if you design your application as per the MVC design pattern, how many servlet will be there?
N numbers.
No. Now not a number, because I told you servlet is a resource instantive object. It consumes a lot of resources. So as per this design, how many servlet we'll have now?
One.
Only one. Earlier we had n, but now we have only one. And then you have JSP. You see your when JSP wants to when JSP want to send some data or want to fetch some data, Ishan, background noise is coming, so you can mute yourself. Let it is not here. Just a second. Ishan, you can mute yourself now because a lot of background noise is coming. So my friend, when you make a call to Ishan, are you there? Why is there's some just mute yourself, man. What happened when I mute? Automatically he got a mute. Magic. I mute him, then yeah, I know. Okay, let me try. Otherwise, what happened? No, I'm just okay. So guys, here you see when I make a request from here. So your request first of all goes to the controller, and from controller it goes to the model. And model do some business processing, then it return data to the servlet, and servlet return data back to the view. So this is the flow. And as per this design pattern, your view cannot directly interact with model, and model cannot directly interact with view. Understood? There are one people. Ritesh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you come with me.
All right.
Here you tell me view. GSP does not know about model because GSP is always communicating with model through the controller. So benefit is today if you are using GSP, tomorrow you want to use Thymeleaf velocity in the presentation layer, there would be no change in the business layer. That is the beauty of it, because business layer does not know about view and view does not know about
Business layer.
because of the controller. I hope you got the whole benefit of it. Now I am going to show you one small program by using this design pattern. That's it. That is the agenda for today, and you have to make yourself fine. That's so I'm just going to make a hello world, and that hello world you have to make it. That's it. That is enough for today. Okay. So see my approach and the way I'm doing, guys. You have to just make a mastery into it. Fine. Right click on that. You can go to the new other. Same way as you did last time. Remember, you do daily this task. Maven project. Ritesh, I'm not doing new thing, right? Then I said select the checkbox next. And here you can write the package name com.cubic IT, and here you can write the project name. Project name is Cubic MVC, right? And here we have to choose wall. You can say again, you are repeating it. We know this, right? You are doing this thing, same thing from last time, and you did many things, many times, right? Yep. Finish. The next thing and the first thing.
The package ID that we give over here, does it affect the one we use in class?
No, 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 it doesn't. That doesn't matter. Only project name is important. Package name you can give anything. Good question. The next thing which I updated was, you remember I was updating daily POM first. I'm going to do the same thing today, no exception. Please help me. So which one is last project? Everybody knows, right? Laptop web store. So I can copy this POM. It's okay with you? And you guys know how to do copy paste, right? You start from line number 8, go till last and update it. Hey, you know this much, right?
Yes.
I copied
Yes.
everything from the previous project as it is. And Ritesh, here we have to do two more things, right?
Servlet.
Ritesh,
Okay. Yeah.
you have to add two more jar here, right?
JD. Yeah.
That is for MVC. You have to add two more jar. Whatever jar is there, keep everything as it is. Add two more, okay, today. What? Yeah, we have to add two jar. Like here, I copy paste, right, man?
Mm-hmm.
This below here, Spring MVC, all right? A Spring MVC dependency. Then, so first jar which you have to add is that is called web, and second jar which you have to add is known as web MVC. Ritesh, no need to remember. You have to just add like this, okay? And
Okay.
add one more jar. I will tell you tomorrow why why I'm going to add it today. But reason I'll tell you tomorrow. So totally, we have added three new jar apart from which we had over there. So you can add this one more jar, okay? I'll tell you
Okay.
tomorrow about it. So today we have added three jars. Save it. So you know, after it, you know very well, right? What we did after adding POM, it is crying for this. You see web.xml
Mm-hmm.
file. So daily we do, right? What we do, we make a webina folder. If you remember, always we do webina, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then we create a XML file. I'm doing fast because I know you know the thing. So here you can create a file, and file name is web.xml file, right?
Mm-hmm.
And in this XML file, we have to just bring the content, right? I'm telling you, when you go to the real life in the projects, you are not going to do project setup from the scratch because everything you will get it. You have to work on top of it. My project is ready. You can say, wow, this much you daily do, right? So you know that much. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So as per the Spring MVC, Ritesh, we have to create three things, right? Front controller, model, and view. So first I'm going to create a front controller. And I'm telling you, front controller is a servlet, and servlet is given by Spring MVC. Who gives you the servlet?
Spring MVC.
Spring MVC. Spring MVC gives you the servlet. I'm going to copy it. Spring MVC gives you the ready-made servlet, and that servlet name is dispatcher servlet. What servlet? Dispatcher
This.
servlet. I'm going to copy and paste, and you have to do the same thing. So I don't know, you have done servlet using XML annotation. I think somebody was saying web servlet, right? That was annotation. But you can map it with the XML also, the way I'm doing. Can you see this? Magic.
Okay.
You have to just do this much. Other thing is not of your interest. Whenever it is important, I'll let you know. So Ritesh, you see what I did? I just mapped my servlet. See how?
Mm-hmm. XML mapping. Yep.
Yeah, a servlet and servlet. Servlet class. This is the fully qualified class name of the dispatcher servlet offered by Spring MVC.
Okay.
And one is saying your servlet will be eager loaded. Eager loaded means when your application is getting up, your servlet is saying, "Hey, I'm ready," for
Okay.
that purpose. Because if you don't make it eager, if it is lazy, it may take time for first request. And when you map a servlet, every servlet you should give a name, Ritesh, and this name
Okay.
doesn't matter. You can give any name, right?
Okay. Servlet name can be anything then.
Anything.
Okay.
So what I should write? I'm just thinking. I don't know. You can give any name, right?
Mm-hmm.
like Mocha, right? Mocha is the name of my servlet. And this Mocha you have to expose to the outside the world. You say, hey Mocha, this is the internal name, Ritesh, given to it. But using solid mapping, you are saying, hey Mocha, you will be invoked by slash, means anything, any pattern, anything, any type, you should come in the picture, right?
Yeah.
If you want, when I say, hey, hey, hello, right? Then you should come in the picture. No, I am not saying like that. I'm saying slash means you have to come in the picture for all the incoming requests to the server. Got it?
Okay.
So what I have done? What I have done? I have done with the. Give me a second. I think I have copied it in wrong file, right? My file name is this one. Nah, done. Got it? And not only this much. After doing this much, you have to create a file, whatever name you have given to the servlet.
So
Ritesh.
what's within the servlet class? What is that?
This is actually not designed by us. It is designed by Spring framework.
Okay.
So this has a logic to, take the request from the view and forward to the controller. It is written there. And see, one important thing, whatever name you have given, Ritesh, you have to make a file, XML file inside the web INF. Fix. File name will be mocha-servlet. Ritesh, you can't change it. This file you have to make it for sure. Otherwise, dispatcher servlet will cry, hey, this file is not there. I'm not going to run. Okay. Yep.
Okay.
This file and location is fixed, and this file name is derived from the name of it. Whatever name is there, just you have to add a hyphen suffix, hyphen servlet as a suffix. .xml. And in this XML file, we have some predefined content which you have to copy paste, right? And I'll explain you what this is. Rakesh, you have to copy the way I'm doing. Done. So here, this is fixed. Rakesh, this is fixed. This is fixed. Are you following me? Confused? This is fixed. That's it. And I told you, right, in XML file, your beans is always fixed. You got a point? Hello?
Yes.
Reply, please.
Yes.
This is fixed. This is fixed. And only important thing I'm keeping, other thing I'll make it out. We'll bring it tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Here, this is important. This tag is saying, hey, I want to enable Spring MVC feature for my dispatcher servlet. I'm saying, hey, dispatcher servlet, I have enabled my Spring MVC feature. It is written over there. And here, this is the folder, the package in which I will keep my model. Ritesh, for what purpose?
For keeping up the models.
Yeah, I'm going to keep my model in this controller, in this package. And here you are saying you are going to use what? JSP or Velocity or Thymeleaf. So this entry is saying, hey, I'm going to use JSP in my project. In my project as presentation layer. Make sense?
Yes.
So, Ritesh, your question may be, and again I confuse. I can't remember all those things. I would say I don't remember it. Just copy paste.
Copy paste. Sorry.
So your question is, do I need to remember after some time down the line? I would say you are not supposed to remember unless and until you become a trainer.
Okay.
That's fine. And once I would say it's not required. When you become a trainer, do you think I'm doing something? I'm not doing anything, man. Yeah, you can say you always do copy paste. Yeah, I'm doing it, right? So this is done. What I have completed? I have completed my controller part, my front controller part, right? Second, second, I have to make a model. Model I have to make in this package. So this is package. Package you have to make as per the Maven convention. You should make your class and package in src main Java file. New class. You have to put this package and class name you can make hello controller, right? Ritesh, it is just convention because it is model. Model is also known as a controller, you know, right? As per the photo diagram convention. So my class ideally should be suffixed with the control. It's not mandatory. It is just convention. You can give any name, right? But if you give the controller, By seeing this name, you can understand, hey, this seems to be my model. Done. And package name is important. Why? Because you clearly mention in the solid file, hey, this is the package in which my model resides. And since it is a controller, don't forget to put this annotation. Hey, this is my controller. Fine.
Okay.
Done. So this annotation ensure this is my controller for sure. This annotation ensures this is my controller, right? And here, this is a fix. You have to write public and return type must be string. And here you can give any name, right? Here you can give name like execute, any name which you like, right? ABCD, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And here you would say, if somebody will make get request, which request? Get. We have two kind of requests, get or post. I'm saying get request, and he say, aha. Understood? So when he say aha, you know what I did? Public return type string. Method name could be anything. You know, apple, banana, papaya, whatever you want to write, right? In last, you would say I want to go to JSP file, and here you can write just name of the JSP, but don't give the extension. Why? Because here you clearly mentioned it. I will, whatever name you return in the controller, I will suffix .jsp and prefix slash. So eventually this view will be resolved as slash hello.jsp. Got it?
Yes.
So Mr. What I have done with model. And if you want to give multiple mapping, Hitesh, we have that facility also.
Okay.
If you want to give multiple mapping, you can use this curly bracket. Why? Because I want it should be called by aha, it should be called by hello, it should be called by cry, right? Yep. It will work with all, right? Slash is optional. Like two places I'm giving slash, and here I'm not giving slash. So whenever you hit this URL, it will call your hello.jsp. Fine. So I need to make a JSP in my web app parallel to WebMiner. JSP making is cup of tea. Right click on the folder where you want to make your JSP and go to your JSP file. And here you have to give this name. Ritesh, my job is done. I have done with the code. And I'm very lazy, as you know very well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a, hello world. I'm going to copy some page, right? Bootstrap. Actually, I'm fan of Bootstrap. I'm going to just take some dummy page. Okay, please allow me. It's fine. Like here, in JSP, I can copy all this code. So you allow me? Can I copy all this code? Yes, please. So nobody is saying what you are doing. I'm doing nothing. I just copy all this code from there, right? Yep. So when I run it, this page will run. Can I try? Yes. So if you want to run your project, everybody knows about Tomcat. Run on server. As you do always, right? Next, finish. Remove all and finish. Because you know it, right? Nobody can say, if somebody says, hey, I don't know JSP-Servlet, then we are in trouble. It's saying your port is already used by somebody else. Go and please make the port free from there. I'm just doing it. You see, I used to use both the editor. So after that, I'm going to run it. Right click on how I'm running it. Don't right click on the JSP. Right click on the project. Run on server. And here next, and here you can click on the remove all. Finish. You say, oh my God, you are running with the same way as always we do in JSP-Servlet. Answer is yes, I'm doing that. Okay. Then here you have to type your URL pattern. So I copy the URL, right? What I can type here? Aha. When you type aha, it will display your. Oh, there is a problem. JXL, let's just say, let me check it. What problem is coming? JSP, JSTL config. Let me check it. Where is my JSP? In JSP, do you think we have something like that? No way. Let me, no worry. It may be problem with the dependencies. I'll manage it. Where I don't have config anywhere. Okay, let me try again. No class definition found. Bad luck. Give me a second. What mapping I have given? Like whatever I have done, that is final. We should not bother about it. This is aha.
Can we just try it once?
No, that's fine. This is not a problem. Is because of jar. It might need one more jar. But why is need JSTL, right? I'm just adding one more dependencies. Okay.
Okay.
So guys, I said we have to add 3. Now it becomes 4. I've just added one more dependency, right? How I came to know about the problem? Whatever error was coming, but I don't understand still why we need it. So I'm going to, Nitesh, I no need to confuse. Whatever I have done is okay. Only the thing which I have done is I have just added extra dependency, right? Which
You need
dependency?
to JSPL.
Yep. I'll let you know why it's need. It's maybe because of the version and all. So what I should type? Aha, no, it should work. Can you see this? Hello. Everything is working, right?
Yep.
So guys, each and every step you understand or not?
Yep.
Okay, let me show you the flow if you want, right? But it's fine, right? Flow I can show you tomorrow. Fine. But let me stop my recording. Recording is only for 30 minutes. Okay, you can easily watch it. So
Okay.
you understand or not doesn't matter. But I want you should be able to do this copy paste and just watch it 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, and you can say, and tomorrow when you'll come and you will show the same thing. Again, I don't know anything about it. Let me show you the program which you did yesterday. I'll do the same way the way you did, right? Yep. Done. I don't know. Let me talk to other people. Ritesh, you tell me what your situation. Whatever I have done so far, you understand each and everything?
Yeah. I just need to.
Flow,
Yeah. I think
flow.
I'm. Yeah. Good. I understand the flow. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You would say, and again, whatever you have done, I don't know anything, but I can do it. I don't know what you did, but with the flow, everything.
Yeah.
Yep. Copy paste, I can do it. Fine.
Yep.
And I'm telling you, this we are going to do for at least 1.5 month daily, and I'm very sure one day you will understand for sure. Daily, I'm going to make the project in here. It's done. Let me talk to other people.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Anup, what about you? Anup. Okay. Let me talk to some other people. Sabita, what about you?
Hi, Nagin. I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Sarita, who is Sarita?
Yes, I'm getting it so far.
This is your first class?
No, I was here last 3 class.
Oh. Okay, cool. So what you have done, do you think you can do it, right? After my session, right? You can do yourself.
Yes.
So please let me know tomorrow, okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow then.
Sure.
Okay, that's cool. Let me talk one more people. What about Alien, my friend?
Yeah. For today's class, I'm I'm gonna do the copy paste and
Yeah.
because
Yep.
I'm watching the session completely, but I don't know what was going on.
Okay, no issue. So you tell me, you have attended the session of JSP-Servlet in
Yes.
Sari?
Yeah, I know what you're creating, like for the GSP and the servlet, but the dependencies and all, we were using it.
Dependencies copy paste. You have to copy paste whatever I have done. You can go and blindly copy paste in your
Okay.
form file. Start from the property until end. Copy it, then review it. Okay. So you have
Okay.
to do this, right? Tomorrow I'll show you again, but I want tomorrow one people have to show me, right? You can show me. So let me
Okay.
push this code. I'm going to push this code on Git so that you can manage the version of it. So Git. I'm going to. I think already we have many projects. Spring. Let me keep the same name. .x means we are using version 5. Cool. Okay, guys, I'll push this code shortly. Fine, because yeah, let me do in front of you. I don't want to forget it. Somebody can message me, please. Can you message hello in the group? People, just say hello. I have a very big list. Okay. You can say hello. That's fine. I send you the diagram. And before leaving, let me push the code. Oh, I can do that. Git clone, not clone. We have to do git push. Git add git commit Spring MVC day 1 git push. Just a second. I'm sharing my screen. No worries. Let's go to the git. I don't know. Where is my repository? This is hello. No, this is no. That is Spring MVC. I'm sorry. Where's gone? Let me open my all the repository. This is hello everybody. Can you see this? But here we don't have all code. How this magic is? Oh. We can we see. Guys, can you see now? Whole code is here,
Yes, yes.
and I've shared it. Just okay. So I just want to know in last. Okay, already I think you guys are no, late. So anybody have any question query, or you guys are good for today?
We're good, sir.
Okay. So my friend, don't take tension. Whatever I have done today, you just give a try. Tomorrow I'll repeat it. It's fine. And I'm going to share the recording. Maybe in 2 to 3 hours, right? You'll get the recording.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
And after that, I want to listen from you guys. Okay. And again, whatever you taught yesterday, I don't know anything, but I can do it.